my first project in the Bigfoot while I'm sitting around in Eureka is to replace the shower head. So the new shower head is called Oxygenics, and I picked that one out because it's very highly recommended and rated. It is more efficient. It says it uses 28% less water than regular RV shower heads. And of all the tools I packed, I didn't even think to pack square head bits for everything in this Bigfoot is with square head bits. So the lady in the office in there has her own tool set. Everything's pink, and I was able to borrow it. Extremely nice of her. First thing I have to do is take this old holder out. The instructions say that you have to drill a new hole. But I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the existing one hole, and I'm going to use their adhesion. They've got adhesive back tape that you could do it without doing any holes. And that was a quick and easy project.